Hey everybody, welcome to Steve's Homestead Workshop. My name is Ellie. Today's April 13th and I'm in the greenhouse. I've been moving plants from the greenhouse to the garden and planting them. And we still have quite a few plants left. And I just wanted to give you a little update on the greenhouse and show you what's going on. And over here is our artichoke plant that we planted 2 years ago, and this was the first time I ever planted one of these, and I didn't know much about it. The plant is almost as tall as me, and I'm 5'8". But we have a little surprise on it. We have our first artichoke, and it looks like it's getting another one over here on the side. So I think that's pretty cool. And I love that plant. I did plant some okra, and my little seedlings have come up, and they're going to go into the garden as soon as they're ready, which shouldn't be long. Probably another week or two maybe. That's our little doggy. Alright, well I just wanted to show you what's going on in the greenhouse today. And I hope you all have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Thank you. Bye-bye.